Good evening to all. I'm Gaurav Pandey or Gaurav Bhaiya, and welcome back in another question. And today we'll solve our problem statement number 10 in the string series. And with this 10th problem statement, probably you will be able to understand every possible pattern in string, right? Without any specific algorithm. That's what we have done in this particular string series, right? We have understood now how you can manipulate a simple plain string, right? How you can like create a different kind of question, how you can solve them. So that's what is clear to everybody, right? My purpose here in this particular whole lead code series is not to solve 150 questions. Trust me, my purpose is that you must understand all 20-25 patterns which are possible in problem solving, right? And all the data structures. So once you understand them, trust me, nobody can beat you in the coding. That was my original purpose. So I hope everybody is following the same thing. They're coming here, they're learning from the problem statement, but also they're trying to solve similar problems. And also they are writing the code by themselves first. But if they're not able to make, only then they copy the solution. Right. So that's what I'm expecting. And I hope, yeah, very good evening, Prince. Welcome back after a long time. But yeah, I don't know why this attendance is very poor. Hi, Sriyata. Are we going to have? Yes, we are going to have classes regularly. Okay, we are going to have classes regularly because I want to finish this series as soon as possible by covering all the possible patterns in computer programming or in this competitive programming. Okay, and probably those are watching this live regularly. With time, they'll realize what they have learned. But only the things is required from your end is the practice only. So once you'll do a good practice, trust me, you will have amazing things. Right. Cool, yeah. But why I can't see the attendance here? Why? There are only few people. Sir, Dada. Oh, sorry to hear, Prince. Please take care. Anybody, please do not take a leave, okay? Be regular. Because I'm telling you a small story, not you, to everybody, those are here. I guess this story everybody has already heard about, but still I want to just repeat. You know, there was a smart guy. That smart guy basically he want to cook a frog, a live frog. So what he did is that there were two people. Okay, one is smart, second is just a human. Okay, so now both of them want to cook a frog. So you know what they did? They had one container there. They were boiling the water. So this human directly dropped that frog into this boiled water, and that frog jumped and came out. But again, what the smart people he did is that he dropped that frog into a cold water. And now you'll ask the question how he will cook. That's the thing, how he will cook. He dropped that frog into the cold water. But the problem statement how he will cook. Slowly he increased the temperature. The temperature was increasing, but frog didn't realize the temperature increasing. Frog was in a comfort zone. The frog was thinking, "Uh, anyhow, I'll wear this temperature, and it was keep remaining this cold and water. He was having chilling, he was having fun. And you know what happened? Suddenly the temperature reached to 50 degrees Celsius. And that time frog was unable to came out and he died. And smartly this person cooked the frog. Why I'm telling you this story? Because right now those are doing engineering or they are doing a regular job, they want to do a switch. But you know what the problem statement is, the what is the thing is that there are two storage aligned with the same thing. First thing is that they directly want to solve the hard problem, that's why they directly come and jump out because the level is very difficult, very difficult. But when they'll stay and slowly they'll solve one pattern, and on based on one pattern like maths, they have understood math pattern, they have solved 10 questions, they've understood this. Again they'll solve the array, they've understood this, they have solved 10 questions. Slowly the knowledge will keep start, keep they will have. And again what will happen, when the time will come they want to solve everything, they will have that capacity. Second thing, those are chilling in the comfort zone like this frog. What will happen? Right now you're not able to solve the problem. Okay, that is fine, that is totally fine. But you know what is happening? Time is passing, like this temperature was increasing, your age is growing. that age is your temperature. That age is your temperature. When this age will, reach to a particular level, you will have depression, and you will be living in that depression all to the whole of your life. And the same regret that you're not able to get that particular thing. The thing was that you're not realizing that age is growing, but your skills, your knowledge, your problem solving is not growing. Right? That's why you're delaying the things. You're chilling like no worries. I'll watch the recording. I'll not join the live. Right? Or probably I'll solve later on, and that later on never comes. And this will same will happen with the people who are living in this philosophy that later they'll watch, and later they'll finish the things, later they'll solve, and they think that one day will come they'll be able to crack the things, but this is not going to happen. Right? So be a smart people. Right? Train your skills slowly, slowly, slowly. Then the time will come, you'll reach to a level. Be this smart man, not this frog. Be this smart man, not this frog. Right? Increase the temperature slowly, slowly. Increase your level of problem solving slowly, slowly. That's why I'm covering only easy and medium problems so far. Right? I'm covering the easy patterns till the difficult pattern. Also, there will be multiple topics in trees and graphs, but I haven't mentioned here even. Right? But slowly, slowly, when those people will be coming live regularly, they will have amazing skills with time. And be that smart people, please. Don't be that frog, that foolish frog. Okay, then I'll begin with the problem statement. The problem statement is quite interesting. I just want to tell you the pattern. That's why I choose this problem. This problem has been asked in Apple and Facebook. Okay. Anyway, anyhow, this is a good problem. But why this? I'm teaching you this problem because there is another pattern. How you can concatenate, how you can compare the strings. That's it. That's it. Probably super easy problem statement. So check if two string arrays are equivalent. So here you learn how you can convert an array to string. First thing, array to string, and then how will you compare them? Comparison, because in Java and other languages too, the comparison quite different. That's it. That's it. That is the thing. So now we'll go to the LeetCode window that will understand this. And I hope here few people will learn a lesson from this frog story. That's why not wasted, actually invested a particular time. Right. So cool here. Here what we'll do is that here we have one array bird1 and bird2. But what we want to do? The mention given two strings bird1 and bird2 return true if array present the same string. Same string means otherwise false. Same string means string represented by an array if the array elements concatenate in order forms a string, which means that if you concatenate them in an order, in the same sequence of merge them, if they become a single string and that string is same as the bird2, means you merge abc, you merge abc. So both the strings are same, you'll return true, otherwise you'll return false. The simple thing is that you need to concatenate every possible string from that word1 and word2 array, and then you'll compare them. Are both the strings equal? That's it. Okay, that's it. That's what you have to do. So what I'll do is that I will have in Java, I will have one string. I'll probably give a name to it. Let's say s1, and s1 right now I'm assuming that is empty. Okay. So what I want to concatenate in this string itself, in the s1 itself. So I'll write here. Probably what I'll write. I'll use a for each loop. So anyway, I'll take the string out from where? From that bird1. Okay. Colon. You remember how you use a for each loop in Java? We'll write code in three languages. Anyway, you know that, right? Java, C++, and Python. But I can't say a lot of commands for other languages. So probably very soon I'll be converting to Java only because people are not writing that they want in Python or C++ or something. I'm not sure how much the content they're consuming. So now here what you'll do, you'll update your as1 every time by doing what? By increasing as1 plus what? The upcoming string, that is str. So this is how the whole array will be converted to a string. And same thing I will do for the another as well. Python, Sanam is here. Okay. So now Python is safe, but I want to see in the normal comments. Okay. This is a live comment. Also in normal comment, I want to see like people are asking for the Python, then I'll continue Python. Probably C++ then will be, I want to be covering if people are really enjoying this. So now we will have as2 the another string, because now I want to convert this word2 array into our string. Cool. So here I will have bird2, a for each loop here, and in this as2 I will have this. Now we have converted both the arrays into strings. This is as1 has been the the concatenation of the word1, and as2 the concatenation of the word2. And here finally In Java, I'll tell you the important thing. You cannot write s1 double equals to s2. I'll tell you why. If you run this, look at this. It's getting false, one is coming true. Why? Because this is not comparing the whole string, it's comparing the reference. So if you want to compare them, you have to use dot equals in Java. You have to use dot equals in Java. Double equals work for character only in Java. Okay. Double equals works for character only in Java. And that's what I wanted to mention to you. Congratulations, you have submitted. Probably this will be good. And the time complexity of this particular program is big of n. Why? Because you're using one loop here and one loop here. So n plus n becomes n itself, right? And the space complexity, probably you're taking this string and this string, so that will be also n. You're utilizing extra data structure. So I'll copy this thing. Now I'll convert this same code in C++, then in Python at the end, and then we'll wrap. And I hope that you're enjoying the things and you're also practicing. So actually in the C plus you don't have this capital S, rest thing is same as Java. You don't have this capital S, you have a small s for a string, and that's it. Okay. So here you don't have equals, you directly use double equal in C++. Double equal as 2. Okay. And that's how this worked. Same syntax for Java, like for C plus beating 100%. And again, I'll write the code for Python now finally. In Python, you don't have to use this thing. You can use that same logic will also work here. But the another EGPGB is that you directly write str1 is equals to, you directly convert. There is one method, join method. Okay. That will basically convert that whole array into a string. So you'll write here probably the word one. I want to convert a word one to a string. So that is str1. Then I will have str2. And you will have same thing. You concatenate that with this join. I'll convert that word to as well. Okay, so now we have converted. And again here, what I want is I want to return. Tell me what I want to return. The Python people, the comparison, right? The comparison. सब वापस से पहले का क्वेश्चन कर रहा हूँ तो भूल जा रहा हूँ लॉजिक क्या करें प्रैक्टिस प्रिंस प्रैक्टिस दैट इज द ओनली थिंग व्हाई इट्स lagging I have a stable Wi-Fi connection is it lagging oh probably maybe the internet is not really good at my end or something maybe in my office there is a network glitch it's a beating 100% okay anyhow this is AGPG you'll understand uh, oh it's lagging means there is a network glitch at my end there's a network glitch at my end probably and that is the thing no worries no worries and you will understand this prince keep practicing the similar questions okay just do not understand the solution also understand the pattern right here in this pattern problem statement you understood how you can convert an array to a string okay and then you're comparing it and how you can compare it so just understand the pattern how the problem statement being solved then you'll be remembering it and anyhow in the bango you cannot remember today you're learning something make a short note that you have understood these two unique things in this particular problem statement and revise in morning so keep doing this for a week for the whole week and on the weekend you revise everything what you have learned new what was the new in every problem what was the new pattern in the every problem right and then you'll understand this then you'll understand you'll remember forever you need revision you need revision at least 3 to 4 times okay keep trying every question after the interval of 2 days or 3 days keep solving because anyhow I'm covering one question per day right so you can have a good window to practice it technical question for interview and I'll talk to team if they'll allow then they can have that as well okay technical question interview probably you need to prepare like if you're targeting top MNCs you can prepare basics of system designing computer networks operating system so from these topics only people ask the or computer fundamentals yes fundamentals so people ask the question oh it's not watchable even no worries I'll fix internet Now you're targeting SD, then prepare basic topics of operating system and computer networks. If you're not able to watch Sanam, have to again and again. Oh, that is the thing. Probably I'm wrapping with the live. I hope this is already clear. This worked, right? This is working fine. If you understand the solution, that will not be a problem. But if you'll go back, you'll understand completely. Okay, I'll try. I'll talk to the team if they'll allow me. Okay, Prince? Cool here. Cool. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. But on the same time, I'll see you tomorrow. 6:15. So mark calendar or something. Bye bye to all. Take care.